Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. Supreme Ventures is reporting strong first quarter performance despite the impact of Hurricane Melissa. The company recorded net profit of $700.6 million for the first 3 months ending March 31, representing an increase of nearly 36% compared with the same period last year. However, the company says the hurricane disrupted operations, resulting in an estimated $1.6 billion reduction in gross ticket sales and a $100 million hit to profits. Supreme Ventures says recovery efforts are progressing, with about 98% of lottery terminals now back in operation. About 22% of machines at its Supreme Ventures division remain offline, mainly in severely affected parishes. To maintain service, the company says dozens of locations are operating using generators and satellite internet systems. Despite lower ticket sales, gaming income increased by just over 4%, helping to push gross profit to $3.3 billion. For the trading period of April 23, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Kintyre Holdings Jamaica Limited with 8,415,710 units, representing 33.61% of market sales activities. Woodcats International Limited with 2,965,039 units, or 11.84% of market sales activities. Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 2,064,073 units, representing 8.24% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in transportation and distribution plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for April 23, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. US dollar traded margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $156.97 and buying at $157.89. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by 26-cent transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $115.69 and was bought for $115.43. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $5.04 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $213.39 and was bought for $208.35. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, winning a contract is one thing. Delivering on that contract is an entirely different story. Many contracts require performance bonds, bid bonds, or specific insurance thresholds. Surety companies evaluate your credit as part of their underwriting process. A poor credit profile can lead to higher cost, reduced coverage, or outright denial. That alone can disqualify you, regardless of how capable you are operationally. If your goal is to attract higher value clients, your credit strategy needs to be intentional. Pay all obligations on time. Consistency matters more than perfection. Keep credit utilization low to demonstrate control over cash flow. Build relationships with financial institutions before you need them. Regularly review your credit report for accuracy and gaps. Separate professional and business credit to strengthen your professional profile. In our funded and focused feature, a bigger future is possible if the money flows the network connecting the Caribbean with North America and Europe, because this creates a powerful space for growth. There are more ideas, more people, and more chances to succeed. The International Finance Corporation shows that when women get the right funding and support, their businesses grow strong. The key is making sure money moves with the network. When that happens, everything changes. Bigger opportunities, but higher expectations, because being visible across regions can attract bigger investors. And the International Finance Corporation also shows that investing in women-led businesses can bring strong results. But bigger investors may expect more reports, faster growth, and strong systems. This can feel like pressure. So it's important to grow at a pace that works for you. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you clarity to capital markets and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.